Hey friends, this is Atif Hope here. Well and welcome to the new update on SLP token. The price line of SLP is already moving at the lowest support ever in its history, and in today's video we will try to analyze whether the price line is going to have a reversal move from the support or it is going to set another low. And before starting the analysis, by the way, if you are not subscribed to my channel so far, then do subscribe it, and for more ideas you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I am sharing the different trading ideas for you on the daily basis, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I have shared. So let's start the analysis. First of all, let me just show you this daily time frame chart, and here we have a very strong resistance, a key resistance at 10 cents for SLP token that the price line is not able to break down even after several attempts. And previously I was looking at the support at 6 cents, but recently we have another low by SLP that is at 5.4. Before that we had this low at 5.51. Therefore we have some more confluence points. Therefore now this can be a very strong support zone that is starting from 5.9 cents and goes up to here at 5.51 cents, and the price line is right now, you can see, moving in this zone, and from here we can expect a reversal move. Now here the price line is also giving us another clue to have a nice entry for SLP token. Like previously, the price line, whenever it was moving down to the support, it was not moving down straight. It was forming some zigzag moves, and during these zigzag moves, the price line have been forming the different resistance levels. Like previously we had this resistance, and when the price line broke out this resistance, you can see we had a rejection here, 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 and here as well, and finally the price line broke out this resistance and hit the 10 cents resistance. Now here, when the price line moved down after rejection by this 10 cents resistance level, then we had another resistance, a downtrend line resistance formation here, and you can see that even after several attempts the price line was getting rejected again and again, and finally the price line dropped at this support. And once we had a breakout from this resistance, we again had another powerful attempt to break out this price level resistance of 10 cents. Even we had a spike up to 13.6 cents. Right now, during this move to the downside, we have found another resistance. You can see that we have several rejections. We have first rejection here, the second rejection, this is third, fourth, and this is the fifth rejection, and right now the price line is again at this support. Therefore now we can wait for the breakout. As soon as we will have a breakout from this resistance, then the price line can start another rally to the upside to make another attempt to break out this price level resistance of 10 cents. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing for you the different trading ideas on the daily basis. You can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.